Good day everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to use your Opay USSD code without paying the 30 naira charges you usually need to pay. We all know that when you use your Opay USSD code, you're going to pay 10 naira charges. But now I'm going to show you that you don't need to pay your 30 naira charges, you just use the code for free. Now just watch this. When you go to your call and dial *955#, we all know that's the Opay USSD code. It's going to show you this thing that will say pay 10 naira charges. If you press 1 to accept, you are going to pay 10 naira charges for any transaction you want to do. You see, you pay 10 naira charges for any transaction you want to do. Let's go to Opay. Let's go and show you on Opay now. Now on Opay, we are on Opay right now. Now see, when we sign in and we go to transaction history, you are going to see the minus 10 naira for the charges of the USSD that you did, any transaction you do. Now you are getting logged in. So now see the transaction history, that's the minus 10 naira there. That minus 10 naira, that's the charges you do. But now what most people don't know is that when you dial *955*4#, they are not going to remove any 30 naira charges. Just watch. That *955*4#, you now press 0 to go back to main menu. Then you do your transaction for free without any 10 naira charges. This is the one and only way of doing transaction Opay USSD without paying your 30 naira charges. Most people don't know about it. Let's just go to our Opay transaction history. Look at it now. In the transaction history, look at, can you see there's no any other minus 10 naira charges because you added that 4# at the end. Now thank you for watching my video. Please like the video, subscribe and share it. Thanks.